Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Kia Optima LX. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Kia has less than 93,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and keyless entry. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.